needs a bat. Play ball. Babe Ruth. Yes, we're in a baseball, softball field here in Virginia. Yes, it's a grass. No, it's a dirt floor. We're still going to make it work. No matter where we are, find a passion to dance, we're going to dance. I got Miss Lauren, by the way. Just not Babe Ruth. Miss Lauren. I'm going to show you what we taught for a move of the week. It's called Sugar Walks. Never shown it before. Hope you like it. First, we'll show it to you. Then show you how to do it. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You end up in a right to right. We'll show you how to get out of that in a second. So this is really an advanced move off of a sugar tuck. And we're not going to get into the fine details of that because the video is really about the move that we just showed you. But sugar tuck is with my left to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Combination sugar push, sugar tuck. That's what we call it. Okay? Tuck turn. Sugar push, tuck turn. So from here, we change everything. So to begin, I'm going to switch hands. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to switch my right into hers because to lead this, I need to switch hands. Now you can switch hands wherever you want. Lead is when you're comfortable, but for the moment, we're going to get into it by 3. So I want to sugar push 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So I present the right arm as a tuck, beginning for her to turn to her right. Now she's going to do her 3 and 4, okay, but it changes for me. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now she's beginning to turn. Leaders, you're going to come up and meet her, take the right hand, which is connected over the head, and bring it down. And guys, put your hand in the lower part of her back. Maybe her shoulder, depending on how comfortable you are leading this. Because from there, you're doing a series of walking. But if you don't get to that point, you won't be walking. So we're going to show you again the 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring the arm down. 5, walk, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So guys, you got to be right behind her. Pull her around, okay? Because if you don't, she won't know where to go. So on a sugar push, 3 and 4. We're going to switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Connect. 5, 6, 7, 8, and let her go. Go the other direction. Okay, so guys, bring the arm down, waist level, maybe a little bit higher, just she feels the balance. Sugar push, 2, 3, and 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and connect. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. She feels that hand in the middle of her back. Really, because this arm walking, the other one's pushing. So one more time this way. Sugar push, 3 and 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring her. Walk, 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 and let her go. So you end up in a right to right. We're just going to do what's called a drape. You can pull her in on a sugar push, drape overhead. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring her back. 5 and 6. Or whatever you want to do. We end up in a right to right. You can do it again, but we don't want to do it again. So the whole thing, sugar walks. You want to do the counts in an even number to make it work. Sugar push. Switch hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come in, put a drape, send it back through. One more time, front to back, because you want to see that beginning. Guys, make sure, connect with that hand. 1, 2, with her back. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Over the head. She's smiling. You can't see her, but she actually enjoyed that move. Don't think she's not enjoying it. Okay. That's the move. Before we say goodbye, a little bit about Miss Lauren to learn about what she does for a living.
Thank you, Tim. So my business is called Dancing with Markers. Dancing, we like to dance with markers like you draw on the wall. And I'm a visual facilitator and a virtual facilitator as well. I do a lot with visuals to help make meetings engaging. So if you've ever been on a long Zoom meeting and you want to make it better, please reach out. I can definitely help you with that. I also do some coaching as well for the leaders out there or entrepreneurs, especially in difficult times. Coaching is a great way to help you progress through and get towards your goals. You can find me at dancingwithmarkers.com. Again, that's dancingwithmarkers.com.
I'll put all the information about her in the description box. So please check her out. Very talented lady. Not only she can dance, she has a good business going for her. So please support her. Please support my channel. Please subscribe. If you haven't done so, click that like button. That helps. We just want to share our passion for dance with you. That's why we do it. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing or play ball.